name is Phil Disselcohen, assistant instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Tonight we're going to look at the slap parry from a wedge guard. So basically, we're all familiar with the wedge guard. So you want to get a good stance, an L stance. Get that elbow nice and high, just like so. Okay, so when we do the slap parry, what you want to do is somebody's coming at you and they're going to try to strike you or grab you. You're basically extending your hand out like so, slapping whatever's coming at you with your open palm, striking with the heel of the hand to prevent that from happening. So let's look at the basic mechanics. You start from a wedge guard. Somebody reaches in to grab you. You're going to slap and then you're going to immediately return that back into the wedge guard. You don't want to leave your hand out there because they're going to grab it. So you really want to get back in that defensive position, that wedge guard. So let me demonstrate a few times. And basically you're going to strike and come back. Slap, come back. Slap, come back. And slap, come back, just like that. Make sure you're striking with the open hand and you're striking your target, whatever's coming at you. So I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist me in demonstrating the slap parry from the wedge guard. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just putting the target right in my face, into that wedge guard. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slap and then come back immediately. Slap, come back. Slap, come back. And slap, come back. Okay, then I'm going to have him do a thrust. So he's going to pull back and slap, 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 and slap. Okay, that was all we're going to do on that one. Oh, yes. Okay, so also we're going to look at the midsection slap parry. So let's say something's coming at you towards your waist. Okay, ready? And slap. And slap. And slap. One more time. And slap. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Okay. So it's a very effective self-defense technique to prevent somebody from grabbing you or thrusting something at you, throwing a punch. Just make sure that after you slap, you're immediately coming back. You gotta make it fast, okay? You don't want to have it out there for even a couple seconds. Likewise with the midsection. And that's the slap parry from the wedge guard.